Well, if you like tools, the only thing better than tools is new tools. And of course, if you like new tools, the only thing better than new tools is cheap tools. And if you like cheap tools, the only thing better than cheap tools is free tools. So, thank you to my beautiful niece who has dropped off this wonderful and free cordless soldering iron. Let's try it out. I did put it on to charge overnight. It's 4 volts, charges off of USB-C. Well, it's USB-C here, but it's USB-A there, so it's not drawing a lot more of it. I think USB-C looks fancier. It's 8 watts, and I've got a little test set up with some wires like I would have, because the plan is to put this in the Dalek repair kit. So I've got some wires set up, and let's give it a go and see how well it solders. So pull it out of its little holstery, and is it hot? Oh yeah, it's pretty hot. Let's give it a little clean. Okay, let's see. So this is a standard sort of bodge repair. The solder joint looks okay. It's together. It wouldn't be the best joint, but it would be enough to bodge some wires together, solder a couple of things, tape them off or heat shrink them, and it would get you going over the weekend. So that's quite a handy little thing. I'm not sure what else it might solder, but I'll have a look around and come back and see if I can find something else to see if it'll solder. So I have not a very good test, but I've got a resistor and an LED, and I will just extract the now heated iron. It doesn't take solder like a traditional soldering iron does, so that's a little bit different. And I also cannot find my helping hands, which would actually make this a lot easier. I'll see if I can hold it big Clive style and feed the solder in like this. Maybe. All done in the way of being able to see. I think there's some solder going in there. Without burning my fingers. Look, it has made a joint. It's not pulling apart. It's not the nicest joint, but I'm sure there would be continuity through there. I think that's going to be more than adequate. It's only going to go in the Dalek repair toolkit. It's going to do basic wire joining like that. Maybe he's putting in a resistor or something. It's not going to be used for rewiring the whole thing. I've got a bench soldering iron for that, but I think that's really good. So thank you very much to my lovely kind niece who's bought me that. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to the next time the Dalek breaks when I'm at a convention and I can bust this little beauty out. So well done. It's become a FERM favourite.